This is the EDC V10 flashlight, size of a keychain, pocketable, put it in your pocket wherever you want to go. It's not just that ordinary flashlight. Let's open this bad boy up, show you what you get inside the box. A USB-C charging cable, a key ring, the flashlight, and the user's manual in order to work it. Please read the information provided. Some helpful information. You go over the flashlight you have here is a lanyard strap area, your USB-C port that is covered, that's IP rated. You're going to plug in your USB-C cable and charge it for the first time. Going over the flashlight, it has a magnetic bottom. Please cover the door so you make it IP4 rated. Double press any of the buttons to turn it on. Long press any of the buttons to shut off. On the side over here you have about 5 different modes. You have a red blue, a green, a white, and a UV. On the front you got 5 different modes: turbo, high, medium, low, and so forth. This flashlight can run up to 17 hours on the side, and it can run up to about 10 hours on the front, and as low as 2.5 hours. It has an audible sound as well. If you hold this button over here, that's an emergency, an SOS. If you double press it, the lights come on, you have all the different colors. It remembers where it left off last. So you can check the UV on the table like so. That's the ultraviolet light. Long press to shut it off. 1, 2, 3 gets it on. Now look at the cup over here, and I'll do my best to show you where the I Love New York is at. You see right there? That is. You can press either button, long press, and there it goes off. Now to do the same thing for the front, double press it, you have a light, comes on turbo and high and so forth. Go through the 5 modes as you can see. And if you long press it, it goes off. If you long press it, it goes on to that turbo mode. Now what we're going to do is go outside at nighttime and show you what it's about. But remember, you can drop it up to 1 meter. It is shock proof. And if you need to have a magnet so it holds on to an area, you can do so, like so. Find something that's metal that will hang up there to do your work. We're going to give the siren and the light red-blue. We're going to give a double press. Press again. You can see it's a side light. Again, it's the white light. Again, and then the red light and the blue light, and long press goes off. If we double press, we have a dull light, the next mode, the 3rd mode, the 4th mode, and back to the 1st mode, and long press it goes off. The turbo mode is basically long press and don't let go, and it lights up pretty bright. Now the question is, can I hit the blue light and the front light? No, it's one or the other. So this does a nice job of lighting up at nighttime, wherever you need to be at. Look at a countertop, look at the place you're working at, anywhere imaginable. So if you're looking for that light, this may be right for you. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.